Sir, in the last session, we had a discussion about, I hope you people may remember, polymorphism concept. Correct time? Polymorphism, overloading, overriding. Next and after that, method of overloading, method of overriding, constructor overloading, constructor overriding. Next and after that, operator overloading. We discussed already, right? Okay. I hope you people may remember. Okay, operator overloading is allowed in the Python or not? Can you spell out, sir? Operator overloading, is it allowed in the Python or not? Yes, why not? Happily it is allowed, sir. We can able to overload plus operator for our purposes, multiplication operator for our purposes, right? Okay, like happily we can use, but method of overloading, overloading and the constructor overloading are not possible. Regarding that, method of overloading and the constructor overloading are not possible, not possible, right? Okay, so make sure. After this session, we will just I will check. Okay, method of overloading and constructor overloading are not possible. Remember, sir. But anyway, method of overriding and the constructor overriding, happily it is possible, sir. No problem at all. Okay, method overriding, constructor overriding concept are possible. Okay, don't keep any doubt at all. Right up to this we covered polymorphism. We discussed. Even there is one concept we covered. Have you remembered, right? Duck typing philosophy of Python. Correct, right? Duck typing philosophy of Python. Even that part also I discussed it, sir. If for sir, because we are not there is no way to specify type explicitly in the Python. There is no way to specify type explicitly in the Python. That's why if it walks like a duck and talk like a duck, then automatically it is a duck. Remember that. Okay, if it walks like a duck and talk like a duck, then automatically it is a duck. Like that we have to consider, because here such type of terminology not applicable. You can call this method only by passing string argument. You can call this method only by passing integer argument. Such type of terminology not applicable for the Python. Remember that. Okay, so now next concept, sir, very important concept, sir. We require to talk about abstraction. Regarding very important concept, abstraction. Okay, like sir, there are two things I have to discuss. Yes, abstract method. Next one after that, abstract class. Next even interface concept also we require to discuss this one, sir. Especially we are coming from Java. That's why Python with respect to Java terminology we are going to discuss, but strictly with respect to that we require to discuss, right? Okay, so now, so because it is a complete different terminology by default is there, sir. That's why take a bit special care about these concepts. Okay, so if you are having any Java related abstract class, Java related interface definitions, Java related abstract method, so it is going to work, but not 100%. That's why, so just please keep aside Java for few minutes to understand Python abstract method and so on, right? Okay, so what is abstract method? Regarding first I will talk about abstract method. Remember this one, sir. Very simple terminology, sir. What is abstract method? Sir, do you know abstract? What is the meaning of abstract? Forget about abstract method or class or interface and so on. Abstract. What it means? What is the meaning of abstract? Abstract means something which is not complete. Regarding array complete abstraction is there, I'm not getting anything. Regarding he's not telling, sir, completely. He's not telling completely. Sir, something like abstract idea. Something like abstract means not complete. Remember this one. Not complete. Not complete. General dictionary meaning of talking, sir. Not complete. Something like so it is not fully. That means is nothing but abstract, right? Sir, what is the meaning of abstract method? What the meaning of abstract method? Sir, I want to write a class, sir. I'm writing a class vehicle. Just observe that class vehicle is there, sir. Vehicle is my own class. Can you please tell every vehicle compulsory contain number of wheels? Yes, correct or not? Every vehicle should compulsory contain number of wheels. If you have cycle, 2 wheels, bike, 2 wheels are there. If it's a car, 4 wheels are by default available, right? Now my question is, sir, every vehicle should compulsory contain number of wheels. Now I'm taking get the number of wheels. Get number of wheels like this. I'm taking a method, sir. Get number of wheels like this. I have to take a method. Can you please tell return how much value? What value I have to return? Can you spell out? Sir, get number of wheels. If any person is asking, what is the value I have to return? Ayo, respond. What is the value I have to return? Yes, return. What is the value? Get number of wheels. Your vehicle has how many number of wheels? So we can't tell. We can't tell. But every vehicle can contain get number of wheels method. But you can't tell until and unless you don't know. You don't know the type of the vehicle. Regarding you don't know the type. If it's the 2-wheeler, 2 wheels are there. If it's the 4-wheeler, 4 wheels are there. If it's the something like based on the type of the vehicle you can tell. But we don't know as of now what I have to return. That's why no problem at all. Even you don't know about method declaration, method implementation, still you can able to declare such a type of method. How you can able to declare, sir? These methods are by default considered as abstract methods. Regarding what is this one, sir? These methods are by default considered as abstract methods. The method which has only declaration, but not the proper implementation, or but not full implementation. Such type of things are by default considered as abstract method. So in Java we can declare a method as abstract, public, abstract, void, m1. Regarding like that, at last a semicolon, just only declaration is there, but not implementation. But in Python, you, sir, here only semicolon, such a type of thing is not there. Just I'm going to keep as pass. Regarding just I'm going to keep a pass. That's all. Now, but you should declare this method as abstract. Of course, even you are not taking also no problem, but indicating that, sir, it is abstract method. Oh child, you are responsible to implement. How you can able to do that? Abstract method. A decorator we require to use. Everyone can able to understand, sir, what is abstract method? The method which has only declaration but not full implementation. Such type of partially implemented method is nothing but abstract method. How explicitly we can declare abstract method? By using at the rate abstract method decorator. By using that we can able to declare. Next, sir, at the rate abstract method decorator available where? Just observe that. Let me execute this code, sir. What will happen? Let me execute this code. Okay, if I can take what will happen, sir? Here, just observe. I'm taking here, see, sir, name abstract method is not defined. Name abstract method is not defined. Okay, like this it's going to tell, sir, what I have to take, where it's available, sir. So from ABC is one module, sir. What is the module name? ABC, abstract base class module. Observe that, abstract base class module. Import star I'm taking. From ABC, import the star. Like this I'm taking, sir. Import star. ABC the module. In that module, this decorator is available. If I can take like this, happily, sub by default is going to compile, no problem at all. Any doubt? What is abstract method? How you can declare this abstract method? How you can able to declare this abstract method? Next, what is abstract method? Decorator. Where this decorator is available. Okay, that's all. This is what you people should aware clearly first level, sir. Sir, what is abstract method? The method which has declaration, of course, not proper implementation. Sir, in Python and Java, there is one small twist there. What is that twist? Yes, listen a bit carefully, sir. Sir, how you declare in Java? In Java, compulsory should ends with semicolon. But here, no such type of story, sir. Abstract method. Even if you want, you can take some implementation also. Are you getting? But anyway, it is syntactically valid, but it is not meaningless. You are using abstract method. Syntactically it is valid, sir. No problem at all. Syntactically it is valid. No problem at all, sir. But it is not meaningful. Remember that I'm not going to get any error, right? Clear? Up to this, any doubt? So what is abstract method? The method which has, sir, not having complete full implementation, just only declaration, something like we can able to use the word abstract. That's why just I'm taking most of the times out of 100, most of the times we are going to use the word, sir, something like this. This is one example, right? Sir, similarly, if you want one more example, I have one class, fruit class is there. Regarding I have one class, fruit class is there, sir. Can you please tell every fruit having some taste, every fruit having some taste. Sir, what is the taste of the fruit? Anyone can you please tell? What the taste of the fruit? Are you getting? Sir, maybe sweet or maybe sour or maybe there is no guarantee that every fruit is always is of sweet. Are you getting that? Is it always? So that depends on type of fruit. Are you getting? So if it is apple, one type of taste. If it is mango, another type of taste. If it is a banana, a different type of taste by default will be there. How you can able to, sir, you can't define, simply you can take pass and simply you can able to declare this one as abstract method. Are you in a position to understand, right? Sir, anyway, don't think too much, sir. If you don't know about implementation, about proper implementation, such type of partially implemented methods are allowed in Python by using, sir, abstract. Such type of methods are nothing but abstract methods. Clear? How you can able to declare? How you can able to declare explicitly this is the abstract method? How you can able to declare explicitly it is the abstract method? Please respond. It is the abstract method. How you can able to declare it is the abstract method? By using abstract method decorator. Abstract method decorator present in which module? Abstract method decorator present inside which module? ABC module. Clear up to this? Method wise, don't keep any doubt at all. Next, I have small doubts are there, but at last I will discuss. First, get the basic idea. For small loopholes are also there. Abstract class. What is my next cinema is abstract class. Observe that, sir. Sir, what is abstract class? Suppose sometimes the class is not having full implementation. If a class contains some at least one abstract method, something like class is not having full implementation, sir. Sir, this is not fully implemented class. Such type of classes are nothing but abstract classes. Sometimes implementation of a class is not complete. Such type of partially implemented classes are called abstract classes. Remember this one, okay? Sir, make sure. How I can declare? Sir, best example, vehicle is fully implemented or partially implemented? Please respond. Vehicle class is fully implemented or partially implemented? Partially, because if any person create an object, if any person calling get number of fields method, what I have to return? Nothing. Regarding that, it is not fully implemented. Fruit class is not fully implemented. Regarding is not fully implemented. So if the implementation is not complete, then happily we can go for abstract classes. Abstract class means partially implemented class. Are you getting it? Abstract class means partially implemented class. Remember this one. So sometimes implementation of a class is not complete. Such type of partially implementation classes are called abstract classes. Remember, okay? But how you can declare this class is abstract? How you can declare a class explicitly as abstract, sir? Every abstract class, okay, explicitly should be child class or ABC class. Are you getting it? What is this class name? What is this one? Can you spell out the class name? Can you spell out the class name? ABC. ABC module is there. ABC class is also there, sir. ABC module is there. ABC class is also there. Again, this class. Sir, what is ABC? ABC. Have you observed? Abstract base class. Are you seeing ABC, right? Are you seeing A, B, C? Yes, sir. A itself is nothing but A. Itself is nothing but B. Itself is nothing but C. Are you getting? I hope you people can able to see A, B, C. Itself is like this, like abstract base class. Abstract base class. Like this, you people should aware clearly. Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt about this one? Yes. Are you able to understand? Sir, how you can declare explicitly it is the abstract class, right? This is the way what you have to aware. Now, more meaningful is you require to declare yes, ABC. If you have such type of terminology, what is the ABC? Next and after that, what is this ABC? Next, what is this one? Now that's also. So, if a method not having proper implementation, abstract method, abstract method. If a class not having full implementation, abstract class. How to declare abstract class is nothing but like this. Any doubt? Any doubt? Everyone in a position to understand, right? Clear? What is abstract class? What is abstract method? What is abstract class? What is abstract method? Okay, remember that. Okay, next, in Java, we have several rules are there. We have several rules are there. If a class contain at least one abstract method, if a class contain at least one abstract method, then compulsory the class should be abstract. Okay, don't keep such a type of rules here. The rules are not that much tightly coupled. Okay, if you want, you can follow. Otherwise, you are not required to follow like that, right? Okay, like that. Sir, even if a class contain abstract method, still if you are not extending ABC, is it valid or not? Is it valid or not? I'm not keeping as ABC. Yes, observe that. Observe that. Happily, the code is going to vary. Regarding we are not going to get any error. Means itself is nothing but acceptable. Itself is nothing but acceptable. So two worst. Okay. Here two worst. If I can take print of hello. Print of hello from abstract method. I'm taking print of hello from abstract method. I'm taking sir. Sir, you know, whenever you are telling it is abstract class, it's not at all recommended. It's not at all possible to create object. Correct or not? Parsadi, all the people who are coming from Java background, can you please confirm? Sir, if a class is abstract, sir, if a class contains at least one abstract method, then automatically implementation is not complete. If implementation is not complete, how you can create an object? How you can able to create an object? Like you should be. But here I'm taking V is equal to vacant. Regarding I'm creating an object, just I'm calling V dot get number of fields. Regarding V dot get number of fields, like this I'm taking sir. V dot get number of fields. Sir, observe that. Hello, sir, from abstract method, none by default you are going to get. What? How such two stupid code what we have. Remember that. Okay, sir, we are creating an object. You are allowed to call this method. Okay, like you people should be aware. But anyway, logically, these kind of things are okay, acceptable, no problem at all. First get even sir, once this class is abstract, we are if this class is abstract method, then automatically you are not allowed to create an object, but still this person is allowing creating an object. Clear? Any doubt? So that's why concept wise better to understand, syntax wise not that much strict. Even small loopholes are there. So these kind of things. Syntax wise compulsory this behavior should be there. No such type of thing. Concept you should aware. What is abstract method? Sir, this method is not properly implemented. What is abstract class? This class is not properly implemented, right? Okay, that's all. Next, one more thing you people should aware. There is one scenario is there. Can you please tell, is it possible to create an object for abstract class? Please respond. Is it possible to create an object for abstract class? An object for abstract class? Anyone? Is it possible or not? Yes, possible. But there is one situation where my Python is very strict. At that time, you should not. At that time, you can't create. Only one scenario was in that particular case only. You can't allow to create an object for that class. What that scenario, I will explain. Don't worry, sir. Next, Arpita, she's asking some doubts, sir. Why we are getting none as the answer? None as the answer. Because I'm taking this method inside a print statement, but this method is not going to return anything. If a method is not going to return anything, the default return value is always none. Arpita, are you getting right? The default return type, okay, for a method. If I should not take, I should not take print directly. You can call get number of fields. Okay, get number of fields. Happily, it's going to get. Now, sir, here there is only one situation. There is only one situation where object creation Python is going to object. Where, sir? Where? Remember that. Where? Okay. If a class are extending ABC class, if a class extending ABC class and contains at least one abstract method, observe that. Can you please read this line? If a class extending ABC class, so parent class should be ABC class, and contains at least one abstract method. So at least one abstract method is there, then object creation is not possible. Are you getting? Object creation is not possible. Remember that, sir. Okay. If class extending ABC class and contains at least one abstract method, in that particular case, Python is going to restrict. Oh, you are telling it is the child class of ABC, and you are not already contain abstract method. Then how you can man? Okay, like how you can? Okay, like this. In this particular case, then automatically, sir, the object creation is not possible. Just observe the class vehicle of ABC. Class vehicle of ABC, like this, right? Now V is equal to vehicle, like this I'm taking, sir. V is equal to vehicle, like this I'm taking. Sir, everyone in a position to understand, right? Yes, everyone in a position to understand this rule. This rule is very important, sir. So if a class extending ABC class and contains at least one abstract method, then object creation is not possible, sir. Both rules. Observe rule number 1, it should extend ABC class. Rule number 2, contains at least one abstract method. Then only it will become a 100% abstract class. Are you getting that? Yes. Okay. Now observe carefully. Let me execute the code. I'm not calling that method. Let me execute. Oh, now Python is going to wake up, sir. Python is going to wake up. Except there, Python is not going to come. Everything hello like that. Type error. Can you please read this one, sir? Very dangerous. Can't instantiate abstract class vehicle. Oh, it is considering that vehicle as abstract class. Can't instantiate abstract class vehicle with the abstract methods. Get the number of fields. With the abstract methods, get number of fields. Are you getting? So this class is abstract class and the abstract number of fields is there. In this particular case only, you are not allowed to create an object. Remember that. Suppose I'm not taking ABC, sir. I'm not taking ABC. There, happily it is allowed. Happily it is allowed. Are you getting? I'm not taking ABC. Happily it is allowed. Even you are taking ABC, but I didn't declare as explicitly as abstract. I didn't declare extract abstract method annotation. I mean decorator. Have you observed, right? Happily it's going to work. Okay. So only case, sir, 2 rules must be satisfied. What the first rule? Class extending ABC class and contains at least one abstract method, then only object creation is not possible. In all the remaining cases, you are not having any restrictions. That's why, so syntax wise, don't be that much strict related to Python abstract method and abstract classes. So theoretically, logically, you people can able to just get the concept. That's all. What is abstract method? The method which is not fully implemented. The method which is not fully implemented, such a type of method is called abstract method. How you can declare a method as abstract? by using abstract method decorator. Abstract method decorator is available in which module? ABC module, right? How, sir, what is abstract class? The class which is not fully implemented, partially implemented class is nothing but abstract class. Partially implemented class is nothing but abstract class, right? Remember, how you can declare a class is abstract? Because it should be child class of ABC, and ABC is the class which is present inside ABC module. Any doubt? Any doubt? Syntactically, all the rules are clear? No response. No response. All the rules are clear. Means Python is not that much syntax wise, not keeping that much restrictions. Remember that. But one restriction is there, sir. It is already abstract and it contains at least one abstract method. Already abstract and contains at least one abstract method. Compulsory. You are not allowed to create an object. Remember that. Okay, but the people who are coming from Java background, then automatically, yes, don't apply Java here. It is a Python, so keep Java a bit aside. Clear? So theoretically, you should worry more, not theoretically you have to worry much about that, not syntactically. Just observe. Okay, like because you are telling it is abstract method, because you are telling it is abstract class, then no one is going to create an object because you know the concept. Okay, you know the concept, right? That's all. Clear, right? Abstract method or abstract class. Okay, like now there is this abstract class can contain multiple methods are there. An abstract class can contain multiple methods are there, even some concrete methods also. Means concrete method means the method fully implemented, proper implementation is there, sir. Abstract class can contain both. Abstract class can contain both the abstract methods and the normal methods also. Abstract methods and the normal methods also. Remember that. Next, sir, who is the responsible to provide proper implementation for abstract class methods? Who is the responsible, sir? Child classes are responsible. Child classes are responsible to provide proper implementation. Are you getting? To provide proper implementation of parent class abstract methods. Parent class abstract methods. Remember that child classes are responsible, not developers. Partha is telling developer is the responsible to provide implementation. Child classes are responsible. Parent class is also written by developer only. Remember, child classes are responsible to provide proper implementation of parent class abstract methods. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, sir, I will go for with a small example so that you people can get much clarity. Okay, this is just you people are going to get much clarity, sir. Anil, where you have this type of without implementation, what is the use? Sometimes what will happen is I want to send the requirement specification. Pass, I want vehicle class. These are the 4 methods I require. These are the 4 methods I required, like this, right? Okay. How you can able to share the information? How you can able to represent the scenarios by using these things? Regarding just for documentation sake, just for something like requirement specification, these things are going to be helpful. Anil, are you able to understand? Are you getting right? Okay, that's all. So now here just take a bit very special care. I will go for a small thing, sir. So now here get number of fields, pass because we are not in a position to provide implementation, right? Well, now who is the responsible to provide implementation? Class bus, sir, is the child class of vehicle, sir. Okay, well. Now here I'm taking just pass. Now let me create B is equal to bus. Please guide, is it valid or invalid? Class bus of vehicle pass like this, right? Is it valid or invalid? Anyone, can you please observe? Is it valid or invalid? Sir, if the parent is abstract, automatically child is also abstract. Sir, now child class is the responsible to provide implementation, for this abstract method. But you are not providing, then how you can able to create an object? Okay, observe carefully, sir. Observe carefully. Can't instantiate abstract class bus. Oh, bus is the abstract class, right? Sir, with the abstract method, get number of fields. Sir, it is already abstract. It's already abstract because its parent is abstract. Next, this person doesn't provide implementation for this. That's why you are not allowed to create an object. Okay. Now I want to provide implementation, right? Yeah. What is the method? DEF. What is the method name, sir? Get number of fields. Get number of fields. Sir, what I'm going to take? Return. How many wheels bus has? Bus has how many wheels? How many wheels? One, front left, front right, two wheels. Sorry, two wheels. Back left, two, back right, two. So 6 wheels. Okay, 7 wheels like this I'm taking, sir. 7 Stephanie wheel also I'm considering. Okay, just after class bus vehicle, get number of wheels is nothing but like. Now B is equal to bus, print on B dot get number of wheels. B dot get number of wheels like this I'm taking, sir. B dot get number of wheels like this I'm taking. Now take a bit very special care. Perfectly it's going to work. I hope everyone in a position to understand that. Okay, that's all. Next tomorrow another class is coming. Auto, sir. Auto is the child class of vehicle. Auto is the child class of vehicle. Sir, this person is also ready to provide implementation. Okay, DEF get number of fields or getting DEF get number of fields are self on taking. Sir, auto contain how many wheels? Auto contain how many wheels? Respond, man. Why you are worrying? Auto contain how many wheels? Return. Return three. Auto, three-wheeler, right? Auto is always three-wheeler, right? Three. A is equal to auto. A is equal to auto. Next, print A dot get number of fields. A dot get number of fields. Because auto wala is a very poor person, man. He may not maintain Stephanie, all those things. Okay, that's why just only three wheels are there. Okay, like now happily we know it is going to work out. Okay, clear, right? Any doubt? Sir, I'm declaring abstract method. Just I'm declaring one class as abstract. Next, I'm defining child classes based on my requirement in the child class. In different styles, I'm going to implement this one. No problem at all. Sir, this is nothing but abstract class. But here, make sure these things are very, very important. You should aware. Sir, one is abstract method. Next and after that, ABC is the base class. For all abstract classes, ABC module. These things compulsory you people should aware, sir. So syntax wise, like Java, it is not that much strict, but in Java, it's a big strict rules are there, and the rules are also very clear. But here, no such type of terminology, right? Okay, only one point you should aware: abstract class with the abstract method instantiation is not possible. Abstract class with the abstract method instantiation is not possible. Remember that, sir. If you remove parent class, what that? Saujanya, not getting. Can you remove parent class means which class? ABC or vehicle class? If I remove vehicle class, okay, well, 100% package is going to work. Then I have to remove this part. Then it will become normal classes, normal methods. Yes, it's going to work. There is no problem at all. Then what is the use of abstract? Simple terminology. Just the specification I want to share to someone. Next, otherwise, for the bus and auto, some functionality some functionality will be there, common functionality already implemented inside vehicle. Then we have to do. It's going to work. Don't keep any doubt at all. Perfectly, it's going to work. Okay, sir, clear, right? Everyone can able to understand what is abstract method, what is abstract class. Next and after that, what is the ABC module? Like that's all. So now there is one more concept is there in Java. We have interfaces concept. Regarding Java, we have one concept is there, interface concept, right? But in Python, officially that concept is not there. Officially that concept is not there, sir. But sir, logically, if you want, you can able to define, sir, what is an interface? What is an interface? Sir, abstract class can contain concrete methods and abstract methods also. Some abstract methods you can able to do, some abstract methods you can able to do, some concrete methods also you can able to do that. Okay, but if abstract class contain all abstract methods only, no concrete, such type of cases are nothing but we can use the word interface concept. Remember that. So explicitly we are not going to declare interface, right? If abstract class contains only abstract methods, then it is considered as interface. Okay, syntactically no such type of terminology, it is just a theoretical concept only. Remember that, right? Okay, sometimes what will happen is, sir, I have so and so requirement is there, one college automation system I want, these are the services what I require. Class, okay, sir, automation, college automation system I want to develop. In this, sir, this is the first service what I want, second service, third service, and so on. Sir, I want to just provide, this is my specification, this is the specification. What you can able to do? Yes, sir, such type of thing is by default considered as interface, because all methods, whatever methods are there inside, all the methods are abstract, because we are not providing any implementation. This person contains 0% implementation. If you have such a type of requirements, happily we can go for what? Interface concept, which is that type of abstract class itself is nothing but interface concept, right? Okay, don't keep any doubt related to this one. Clear, right? But theoretically, no such type of, I mean, theoretically it's okay, but syntactically, interface, such type of keywords, all those things are not available. So just the client is going to come up with some requirement saying, okay, some requirement saying, sir, this is about my requirement specification. Anyone, can you please provide implementation? Anyone, can you please provide implementation? If you have such a type of terminology, then automatically we should go for one, sir, interface concept. Okay, we are talking about implementation, but not complete implementation. Sir, 4 methods I implemented, but 5 methods I didn't implement. Then we have to talk about abstract class. If the person who is going to provide implementation for all, then that person is by default considered what? Concrete. Remember that, sir. Interface talks about only specification. Remember, okay? Sir, one client came, college automation, sir, he want, assume that, sir, okay, that he want, assume. How you can able to specify, how we can able to implement like this, I will discuss with a small example, then you will get a bit much clarity, sir. Now just Arpita, she's asking, remove ABC from the above example, like, sir, this is my example, if I remove ABC, nothing will happen. Yes, perfectly, it's going to work, don't worry about that. Saujanya, just to specify, nothing, there is no use at all, just to specify in this example, just to specify, yes, this is my requirement. Like sometimes what will happen is, assume that I have M1 method is there. Are you getting? M1 method is there. Yes, sir. Vehicle. Sir, just it is a proper implementation. Assume that it is proper implementation like this. Sir, this is my M1 method. Then automatically, sir, just another method I'm taking. Just like this I'm taking, sir. M1, M2, M3 like this. Now, can you please tell what is the use of this vehicle class? How, Jenia? Now, can you please tell? What is the use of this vehicle class? Is there any use of this vehicle class? Think a bit syntactically. Is there any use of this vehicle class now? Yes. Okay. Make sure. Yes, there is a use is there in this scenario vehicle class. What is that use? What is that use? Is all these methods without rewriting, available to the bus class, available to the auto class. Are you getting? But only this vehicle number of fields varied from implementation to implementation. That implementation, okay, I will take care in the child class in its own specific way. Clear, right? Parent class can provide some common functionality which may be implemented properly. I told, right? Abstract class can contain abstract methods. Abstract class can contain concrete full implementation methods also. Such a type of thing is always possible. Okay, take a bit special care. Okay, like that. So that's all. Now let me go for a small chota example, sir. A small chota example. Parts are there. Abstract method is already there in the vehicle. Getting right? Next and after that, yes. Any other doubts? There are several doubts I'm saying. Yes. Sir, why abstract method is there in the interfaces are same? Sir, why abstract method is there if interfaces are same? Onkar, didn't get you. Yes. Okay. Here just take a bit very special case, sir. Listen, more concentration, a bit more concentration. Can you please listen a bit carefully? We have three types of concepts are there. Theoretical concepts only. We have three types of concepts. Interface concept. Next and after that, next and after that, interface concept. Next, abstract class concept. Next and after that, concrete class concept. Concrete class concept. There are three concepts are available, right? Okay, make sure. Sir, when we should go for just with respect to other languages or with respect to Java, because in Python also I'm using the same words, so that's why just aware very carefully, right? What is the difference between these three things? Observe carefully about this one, sir. What is the advantage of these three things, right? I mean, what is the difference between these three things? Sometimes what will happen is the client came up with the requirement saying, Array, I want these are the two services. I want these 2 or 3 services in my college automation system. He's come up with that. Something like he's telling, sir, I want this type of class. I want this type of class. Okay, class college automation system. College automation. I want in the these 3 services. I want def update marks. Next and after that, sir, I want update marks is one thing. Next, def update marks. Next, def sir, get feed details. Something like this is the second method. Like I want multiple. Sir, this is the functionality what I want. This is the functionality what I want. Have you observed, right? Who is this thing is come up by the client. Client came up, sir, these are the services what I want. Sir, in the coding, how you can able to represent this one? By using what? Interface concept. Regarding interface, never talks about implementation. Everything is abstract. Remember this one, sir. Everything is abstract. Okay. So if we don't know implementation, if we don't know anything about implementation, just we have requirement specification, then we can able to represent by using what? Interface concept. Clear? Are you getting right? Everyone can able to understand, right? Sir, here just I'm taking if we don't know anything about implementation, just we have Just we have requirement specification. Just we have requirement specification. Then we should go for interface concept. Clear, right? So this is what is the meaning of interface concept. If we don't know anything about implementation, just we have requirement specification, then we should go for interface concept. Usually client requirement, I want to represent coding wise, happily we can go for interface concept. Any doubt about this one? Yes, okay. So now how you can able to declare, sir? Just I'm declaring, sir, this is everything is abstract, right? Everything is abstract, right? That's why college automation I'm taking college automation. Next here ABC, like this I'm taking, sir. Assume that DEF M1. Okay, I'm not using meaningful names. You can able to understand, get marks, get fee, like there are 3 methods are available. M2, next and after that M3, M3. But make sure, sir, every method itself is nothing but what is that method, sir? Can you spell out? Abstract method. Every method itself is nothing but abstract method. Just I'm using annotation. Even you are not using also, no problem at all. But it is the syntactically. So now here, do you know, Saujanya, what is the use of this ABC class? This ABC class, if I'm not extending this ABC class, is it possible to create object for college automation? Yes. Is it possible to create object for college automation? Yes, compulsory. It is possible to create an object creation for college automation class. So how I can restrict? Boss, you are telling it is it doesn't have proper, then automatically compulsory you should require to declare ABC. So something like meta classes or some concept is there internally, there is a use. So we can restrict, boss. This is not fully implemented. Like how you can able to restrict, sir? By using this class, by using this decorator function. Remember, now that's all. The interface is ready, sir. Assume that one person came. Sir, how many services client is expecting? Two, 3 services. Are you getting 3 services, right? M1, M2, M3. Maybe you can assume get marks, update marks, get attendance, update attendance, get fee details, like complete such type of methods. Like now, sir, one person came. Sir, this person is telling, I can implement all these methods, no problem at all. Like this, right? Sir, IMPL CLS I'm taking implementation class of college automation. Either implementation class of this one. Okay, no problem at all. Implementation class of this one, college automation. Okay, like now DEF I'm taking. He the responsible to provide implementation for how many methods, right? He the responsible to provide implementation for all abstract methods. Remember, for all abstract methods, he the responsible. Now he provided self. Here just observe that self. He is telling print M1 method implementation. Like this. Just observe, just a few minutes, right? M1 method implementation. Sir is telling M2 self also. Okay, now print M2 method implementation. Like this he provided, sir. Now here immediately I call the client. Hey, class is ready, implementation is ready. Can you please observe that? Like I called. Then immediately that person came. So he is going to give left and right. Hey, you are telling that you are going to implement this requirement, but you provided only 2 methods implementation. Where is the 3rd method? Can I, if I create an object, now what will happen, sir? Okay, if I'm trying to create an object, what will happen? Can you please observe that? But make sure here import must be required. From ABC, import start. From ABC, import start, like this, right? Now observe that. Yes, immediately error. Can't instantiate abstract class MPCL, sir, with abstract method M3. Hey, you provided implementation of only for M1 and M2. Who is going to provide M3? You didn't provide implementation, man. It is not fully implementation. It is a partially implementation. Then we should go for abstract class. Observe that two characters are there. First character never talks about any implementation. Such a type of thing is nothing but what? Interface concept. But this person talks about implementation, but not completely. Then we should go for abstract class. Just observe, if we are talking about implementation, okay, but not completely, then we should go for abstract class. Abstract class means partially implemented class, sir, not fully, partially implemented class. Then automatically, sir, this is the best example for that. So, sir, my client required 3 services, but you provided implementation only for 2 services. That's why the problem is going to come. What next? Okay, sir, immediately I'm taking class, sir, CONCRE, concrete, sir, CLS, like this I'm taking. Is the child class of IMPL, CLS. Okay, like, sir, once he the child class of IMPL, CLS, these 2 methods automatically is coming or not? Yes, ma'am. These 2 methods automatically is going to come or not? Yes, parent. It is the child class, right? That's why. So now here, what I'm taking, DF M3 of self, DF M3 of self, print of M3 method implementation. M3 method implementation, like you people should aware, right? Any doubt about this one? Now observe that 3 characters are there. First person never talks about implementation, just having requirement specification is nothing but what? Interface concept. But this person talks about implementation, but not completely. Such a type of partially implemented person is by default considered, yeah, abstract class. Remember that. Next one after that, this person sir, talks about implementation completely. Sir, he is ready to provide service. Such type of person is by default considered, yeah, abstract, concrete class. Clear? Any doubt? Sir, these are 3 things you people should aware. What is interface? When we should go for interface concept? When we should go for abstract class? When we should go for concrete class? Okay. Now C is equal to, can I create an object? Oi, can you please tell? C is equal to, can I create an object? Yes. Now, sir, what I will take here is what I can, Arpita, just very simple. This is my concrete class. This is the child class of IMPL. If it is the child class of IMPL, these 2 methods automatically available. Then what is the missing method? The missing method is only M3. Now I'm providing M3. Now this concrete class not having any abstract method, because M1, M2 already implemented, M3 is also implemented. The person who is going to provide complete implementation, the person who talks about implementation completely ready to provide service, such type of classes are nothing but, sir, is called the what we call is called the concrete class. Clear? Arpita, can you please tell, this concrete class contain how many methods? Concrete class contain how many methods? 3 methods are available, sir. 3 methods are available. Okay, remember that. Omkar, sir, within the abstract class, concrete and abstract methods are there. Yes, IMCL, here it contains 2 concrete methods, 1 abstract method. That abstract method is coming from the parent. Yes, you provided implementation only for these 2. It is also inherited, but you didn't provide implementation, mean implicitly this one contain 1 abstract method. Getting? Okay. Now C dot M1 I'm calling, C dot M2 I'm calling, C dot M3 I'm calling. Yes, observe happily. All the 3 methods by default you are going to get. So if any person is asking, especially need not be Python, sir, even in Java side also, if any person is asking what is the difference between interface and abstract class and concrete class, If we don't know anything about implementation, just we have requirement specification, then we should go for interface concept. If we are talking about implementation but not completely, then we should go for abstract class. Okay, so if we are talking about implementation, if we are talking about implementation completely, if we are talking about implementation completely sir, completely and ready to provide service, and ready to provide service, and ready to provide service, then we should go for concrete class. Then we should go for concrete class. Any doubt? Any doubt about this terminology, sir? Okay, that's all. These are the things what you people should aware. 3 levels are there, but anyway, in Python, this concept is not that much meaningful. Just because the reason is not syntactically not proper implementations, right? Just we have only abstract. We have only abstract method annotation, abstract class. Even syntactically, these things are not that much strict. Also, only one rule. Only one rule. Abstract class contains abstract method. You can't create object. That's all. Compulsory the class should be abstract, and it should compulsory contain at least one abstract method. Then you can't create object. So if you didn't extend ABC, then you can create object. If you didn't declare abstract method, happily we are allowed to create object, no problem at all. Remember that all possibilities by default it's going to work. Any doubt? Any doubt? Saujanya, concrete class can't contain abstract methods. Theoretically, concrete class can't contain abstract method. Once you are telling abstract method, once you are telling partial implementation, then that class should be abstract only. Abstract class can contain concrete methods. Abstract class can contain abstract methods both. But concrete class means every abstraction should be resolved. Only full implementation by default will be there. Any doubt? Any doubt about this terminology? Clear, right? Ayo, respond, man. Why you are silent? Any doubt about this terminology? Clear for all of you, right? Okay, that's all. Sir, this is a bit dangerous concept. Make sure, sir, more concentration must be required for you people, right? Okay, like yeah, that's what I told. Syntactically, sir, not that much strong in Python. Better to learn theoretical terminology. So, getting the point. This ABC module not keeping that much restriction. Sir, you are telling abstract method. What the meaning of abstract method? It should not contain any implementation. But still, you can declare hello like proper implementation. You can call this method. This method is going to respond. But in Java, can you call abstract method? Compiler will give left and right. Without implementation, how I can call this method? If by mistake for abstract method curly brace open and close body you can provide like this, immediately error by default we are going to get there. But here syntactically not that much tightly coupled. Okay, so that's all. This thing what you people should aware, right? Okay. Next there are just one or two important points I want to discuss for you people, right? So just have a look once, sir. Interface concept especially. Interface concept especially. 1 minute, please.